want to replace the memory card which is inside the phone. Currently I have here a larger SD card which has a smaller MicroSD that is 64 gigabytes, and what's inside is smaller. Okay, so that's an LG V30. Let's remove the exterior cover. And here on the right side of the screen we have that area which has a small hole in it, and the phone has this tiny needle like looking tool, and insert it into that hole. Notice it's entering fully. Okay, I got the spot. Even the monitor changed a little bit. So if I push it in, that should disappear, that SD card sign. It disappeared. Make sure you're not pushing the buttons also. So once again, so notice it's at an angle, so it's not parallel with the phone but a little bit to the right. And then when I push it down, the card sign is there. The white one is the SIM card of the phone, and the right one, the black, is the microSD card. SIM card, microSD card. That's a 32 gigabyte. I will copy everything from this onto the computer. So transfer all the files from the memory card onto the PC, then insert the new memory card into the card reader, and from the PC onto the memory card, transfer the files. After you have finished transferring your files, remove the memory card from the card reader. Here's the memory card. Okay, now look at the shape. See this part which is exactly there. Just insert it there. They have to be in one line, so nothing special is holding it. It is just in one line. Now with that small hole on the bottom, plug it in. And that card sign should disappear after it's pushed in. It says SD card unexpectedly removed, and it also says no SIM card. SIM card tray must be fully inserted to help prevent water damage. Make sure the SIM card tray is not inserted upside down. Okay, so it's crossed. And now we have signal. SD card available. If you open a file manager, we have the internal storage, and we have the SD card. It's a 64 gigabyte card. That's the content. These folders are automatically added by the phone. Okay, so that's how to replace your microSD memory card inside your LG V30 using this small needle.